Do you know what $1 million can buy you in New York City? In a city where real estate prices can be mind-boggling, it's fascinating to explore the options available at this price point. Whether you're considering relocating to New York City or just want to see how far your investment can stretch, in this video I'll take you through some of the stunning properties that showcase the diversity of luxury apartments in New York City. So join me as we embark on this exciting journey through the city's neighborhoods and discover the incredible living spaces that come with a $1 million price tag. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is McLean and finding your home is my mission. New York is known for its sky-high real estate prices, where $1 million might not seem like a lot of money. But then again, if you have a budget of $1 million, it'd be a real shame if you didn't get to spend it on buying the right property that is both to your liking, as well as being both the best property you can bag in the Big Apple with $1 million. So join me in exploring the fascinating world of New York City apartment tours, and let's uncover the hidden gems that come with a $1 million price tag. Starting with number 1, a condo in Brooklyn. Let's kick things off with this beautiful condo located at 956 79th Street in Brooklyn. Priced at $999,000, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit offers around 1,100 square feet of living space. The design is modern and bright, featuring large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The open floor plan connects the living area to a stylish kitchen, equipped with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Living here means being a part of a vibrant Brooklyn community, with easy access to parks and local shops. This condo truly embodies life in New York City, providing comfort and convenience for anyone looking to settle down in this part of the Empire City. Number 2, a condo on West 182nd Street. Moving on, let's take a look at another fantastic condo located at 553 West 182nd Street. It's priced at $999,000. This stylish 2-bedroom condo features modern finishes throughout its approximately 900 square feet of living space, with an open concept layout and large windows providing great natural light, views of the city skyline and Hudson River and beyond. It's perfect for enjoying those beautiful New York City sunsets right from your living room. The building offers amenities such as a fitness center and a rooftop terrace, ideal for anyone wanting to experience luxury apartments in New York City. Number 3, a townhouse in Astoria. Next up is a charming townhouse located at 226 46th Street in Astoria. It's listed for $1,050,000. This 3-bedroom home spans about 1,600 square feet and features 2 full bathrooms. It has been beautifully renovated while maintaining its classic charm. The spacious living room flows into a modern kitchen that's perfect for entertaining guests. The backyard provides an excellent space for outdoor gatherings or simply relaxing after a long day. Astoria is known for its lively atmosphere and diverse dining options, perfect for those who enjoy exploring different cuisines. If you're considering living in New York City, this townhouse could be the ideal fit for you. Number 4, townhouse in Queens Village. Another fantastic option is this lovely townhouse located at 9264 Springfield Boulevard in Queens Village, priced at $999,000. This property features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It offers ample space for families or anyone looking for extra room. The interior boasts modern finishes along with classic touches that give it character. The backyard is spacious enough for kids to play or for hosting those summer barbecues with friends and family. This location provides easy access to public transportation and local amenities, making it an excellent choice if you're serious about relocating to New York City. Number 5, co-op on the Upper East Side. Now let's head over to Manhattan. This elegant co-op at 27 East 65th Street is listed for $999,000. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with approximately 1,200 square feet of beautifully designed space. The apartment showcases pre-war details like crown molding and hardwood floors, while offering modern updates throughout. Located close to Central Park and fine dining options on Madison Avenue, this co-op represents the epitome of luxury apartments in New York City. If you're interested in upscale living while enjoying all that Manhattan has to offer, this could be a dream home. Number 6, a co-op in Brooklyn. Another great co-op option is located at 423 15th Street in Brooklyn, and this one's priced at $950,000. This spacious 3-bedroom unit spans around 1,400 square feet and has been recently renovated with modern finishes while retaining its classic charm. Residents enjoy amenities such as a rooftop terrace with stunning views of Manhattan, perfect for those warm summer evenings. Being situated in Park Slope, means you're close to some of the best restaurants and shops that Brooklyn has to offer. Ideal for anyone wanting to experience life in New York City. Number 7. A single-family home in Brooklyn. Moving on, we have an impressive single-family home located at 434 East 54th Street in Brooklyn, listed just under $1 million. This 5-bedroom home offers plenty of space with over 2,500 square feet of living area, ideal for larger families or those who love entertaining. The interior features high ceilings and large windows that flood the area with natural light. The backyard is perfect for outdoor activities or gardening enthusiasts. Located conveniently near shopping areas and public transport, making this home an attractive option for anyone looking to settle down, while still being close to all the action that New York City has to offer. Number 8. Single-family home in Breezy Point. Lastly, let's take another look at a fantastic single-family home located at 9 Irving Walk, Breezy Point, listed at $999,000. This charming property features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms across approximately 2,000 square feet of living space. With its cozy design and proximity to beaches and parks, this home offers a unique blend of suburban tranquility while still being part of New York City's vibrant atmosphere. It's perfect for families looking for more space without sacrificing access to the city amenities. Alright, so in a nutshell, whether you're drawn to the elegance of Manhattan or the charm of Brooklyn or Breezy Point, there are incredible options available at the $1 million price point in New York City. Each listing highlighted in today's video offers this unique vibe and amenities suited for anyone looking to make their mark in one of the world's most iconic cities. As we navigate through 2024's dynamic real estate landscape on my channel, by understanding what $1 million can buy, you can empower your buying decisions significantly. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're ready to take the next step towards finding your dream home or investment property here in New York City, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. Cheers! If you like this video and would like to see more content, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Peter McLean and I'm a real estate agent with Corcoran here in New York City. Contact me if I can be of service to you. My contact info is in the description box below. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, your home is my mission.